Meet Jacob. Oh, but why is Jacob so sad?
Somebody broke into my shop last night and stole a bunch of stuff, and all I have is some useless CCTV footage.
Well, Jacob, if only you had installed Autoeye's Intrusion alert system. You could have easily averted this.
And what's that?
World's most advanced, reliable, and easy-to-access security system. This tiny piece of machinery can literally fit in any corner of your house, shop, or godown. Within 3 seconds of intrusion, the alarm goes off and it calls your phone and 3 other numbers that you feed into the system. It is remote controlled and you can lock it with a call or message from your phone anywhere, anytime. Up to 8 sensors can be installed with one system for all the doors, gates, and shutters. Equipped with a motion sensor, works wonders when you are not around. Low cost, 100% Indian. Autoeye Intrusion Alert System.
I'm getting one right away.